Mangroves are a thriving and diverse ecosystem, teeming with life and intricate biological processes. Not only do mangroves serve as habitats and nursing grounds for various fish species, but they also provide a source of food, medicine, and building materials for local communities. Additionally, they play a crucial role in carbon storage and provide coastal protection from storm events and sea waves. In the Mekong Delta, mangrove forests cover an area of about 73,000 hectares, mainly in coastal provinces, accounting for nearly half of the total mangrove forest area of the country, of which CA Mau Province has the largest area. The remaining provinces have only a narrow strip of mangrove forests along the coast. Mangrove forests play a crucial role in the lives of millions of Vietnamese people living in the coastal areas of the Mekong Delta. They serve as a vital habitat, nurturing a diverse range of brackish and marine species with significant economic value, including fish, shrimp, crabs, and shelled animals. According to assessments, in several decades, the mangrove ecosystems have been seriously degraded because of human activities and the impact of climate change.
Located in the Mekong Delta, the mangrove areas in Binh Tre Province cover approximately 3,800 hectares, with the majority situated in the coastal regions of Thoi Thuan, Binh Dai, and Ba Lai districts. However, in recent decades, there has been a growing demand to convert these lands for agricultural use, particularly for aquaculture. This, coupled with illegal logging and the impacts of climate change, has resulted in significant degradation of the coastal mangrove forests. In response, local forest protection units have implemented various measures, including logging control, afforestation, shoreline erosion control, and applied mangrove aquaculture farming models to prevent further deterioration of the mangrove forests.
From mid-2023 to 2024, the Center for Environmental Science and Ecology and the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development of Binh Tre Province collaborated to implement the Mekong Delta Mangrove Forest Conservation Project. This initiative, sponsored by the Global Environment Center, GEC, and ARAMCO Singapore, aims to restore and preserve the mangrove forests in coastal. The major objectives of the project include increasing awareness among local communities about the importance of the functions and values of mangroves. Technical training on the production of mangrove varieties suitable for coastal areas is provided to local communities, along with sustainable livelihood options. Support for households to establish and operate mangrove nurseries.
The local community participates in planting and protecting mangroves in the coastal region. The project activity will plant 5 hectares of mangroves on mud flats in the Ba Lai estuary area in the Thoi Thuan Commune, Binh Dai District. Based on the characteristics of the soil and water environment in the estuary, Soneratia caesiolaris is selected for planting.
The participation of local communities is key to effectively restoring coastal mangrove forests, as proven by successful experiences in forest resource management. Consequently, the Mangrove Conservation Project in the Mekong Delta has focused on supporting local communities engaged in mangrove planting and protection in coastal areas. Through this project, 12 farming households have been funded to establish mangrove nurseries, covering a total area of 2.5 hectares. The nurseries include a variety of trees such as Soneratia, Rhizophora, and Avicennia. In addition to financial support, these households have also spent practical training on effectively establishing and maintaining nurseries that can produce mangrove varieties suitable for the coastal environment of Binh Tre Province. Their hard work has resulted in thriving mangrove nurseries, producing over 20,000 seedlings that can be planted and restored to a significant area of mangrove forests in coastal areas. On May 14, 2024, the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development of Binh Tre Province organized a launching event for planting and restoring mangrove forests in Thoi Thuan Commune, Binh Dai District. Attend the event, including delegates from various sectors in the province, district, commune, and local communities, and the project sponsor. On this occasion, the Center for Environmental Science and Ecology presented gifts to 30 underprivileged and hardworking students and 2 teachers at Thoi Thuan Secondary School. On the same day, government officials also participated in a tree planting event to restore the mangroves at the project site. According to the proposed plan, households participating in the project have successfully planted 14,000 Soneratia trees in the designated area, covering a total of 5 hectares. After planting, the households will continue to care for the mangrove forests in the project site until the end of 2025. According to a preliminary assessment of project activities, in establishing nurseries, households not only provide seedlings for planting in the project area but also provide them to other sites in the coastal area. As a result, their income increased significantly. In the summary session, 14 farming households participating in establishing nurseries and planting trees received certificates of participation in the mangrove conservation project in the Mekong Delta, along with gifts from the project. After 2 months of planting, field assessments indicated that the trees had a survival rate of over 95% and most of the planted Soneratia trees exhibited healthy growth throughout the project AR.
Assessing the progress of the Mangrove Conservation Project, leaders of the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development of Binh Tre Province have remarked that, despite some initial obstacles, the project activities have ultimately achieved their expected goals quite successfully. The Binh Tre Provincial Forest Protection Management Unit will partner with local communities to take care of and protect the restored mangrove forest area supported by the Mangrove Conservation Project.